What up guys, Crypto Ether here, back at it again with another NFT video. As always, I never give financial advice. Always do your own research. We live in a super volatile crypto market, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. That being said guys, let's jump right into this NFT collection here. Rolling Stone unveils its second NFT drop with Bored Ape Yacht Club. So the new release includes 2 physical art prints available on the BAYC website, as well as 2 digital NFTs that will be auctioned on OpenSea. So this is on rollingstone.com. Let me exit out of this stuff here and jump right into this article. So here's the prints. We'll jump onto those on OpenSea right now, but first let's jump right into this article. Update: the art print sale has ended, but you could still bid on the Rolling Stone. Let's see here. Exit out of that. The Rolling Stone and BAYC cover NFTs on OpenSea. Every big release deserves a sequel, and the Rolling Stone and Bored Ape Yacht Club are partnering up for a second time on a new NFT collaboration. The new release includes 2 physical art prints available on the BAYC website, as well as 2 digital NFTs that will be auctioned on OpenSea. Both pieces were created exclusively for this release, offering both fans and collectors a chance to own something from one of the biggest digital art collectives in the world today and one of the most iconic magazines of all time. The first fine art print features an illustration of the iconic Bored Ape in his own private paradise. The exclusive hand-drawn illustration sees Curtis lounging on the dock of the Bored Ape Yacht clubhouse with a ukulele in hand and dreams of nautical adventures floating in his head. The second art print is a collaboration with Mutant Ape Yacht Club and follows the daredevil ape as he escapes from a mutant slime volcano on his motorcycle, outwitting the barreling plume of lava behind him. Both prints measure 8.5 by 11 inches and are printed on 290 GSM fine art paper. In addition to the collector's edition prints, 2 digital NFTs will be auctioned on OpenSea, with the NFTs each featuring the iconic Rolling Stone logo and unique BAYC artwork. The winners of the 2 of 1 NFT auctions will also receive the associated collector's items signed by the founders of Yuga Labs, the creators of Bored Ape Yacht Club, the artist, and the CEO of Rolling Stone. The Rolling Stone Bored Ape Yacht Club collaboration is accessible exclusively online, payable in ApeCoin through the official Bored Ape Yacht Club merch store. The drop will also go live at 9 Eastern Time on June 22nd. The fine art print is being offered for $100 in ApeCoin plus the cost of shipping, and will only be available for 5 hours from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The print sold within the 5-hour window will become an official card to certify authenticity. This is a rare chance for the public to take home a piece of art from BAYC with Rolling Stone's stamp of approval. The 2 digital NFTs, meantime, will be auctioned off on OpenSea, the world's largest Web3 marketplace. Bidding will also be open to the public, with the winner bid payable in ApeCoin. So the new Rolling Stone and BAYC collaborations will come on the heels of a limited edition zine drop last fall, which sold out in 30 minutes. Insane, right guys? Let's check this out on OpenSea, and you guys can check out this artwork. Actually pretty cool. Alright. Man, it would be cool to have the winning bid on this, but like, good luck guys. Let's see here. So dope. Sheesh. Could you imagine getting this and that print signed? Like, gonna be crazy guys. So clean. Let's check out this other one, the Mutant Ape one, right? But this is just Curtis with his ukulele, and we can go check out this Mutant Ape, right? Let's see here. How much do you guys think these are going to go for? What do you think the winning bid's going to be? Leave the comments down below and let me know what you guys think. Sheesh. It's crazy artwork, guys. I'm stoked about it. Super cool collab. The last one did really well. I think this one will do well too. So yeah, just leave your thoughts and feedback down below. As always, I hope you did enjoy the video today. If you did, smash that like button down, hit that notification bell, and definitely leave your comments down below and let me know what you guys think of this collab. What do you guys think these are gonna go for? What's the top bid gonna end up being? Did you guys try to scoop up any of this, or let me know, guys. If you guys are BAYC Macy holders, what are your guys' thoughts on this? I'm curious to see if there's anybody out there that holds BAYC and Macy, and I wonder what their thoughts and feedback would be. So again, it's Crypto Ether. Hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Make sure you smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'm always covering NFT news, metaverses, cryptocurrency. We cover it all here on the channel, guys. So again, I hope you did enjoy the video. That being said, it's Crypto Ether, and I am out of here, guys. Peace. Also, there was a little bit more I wanted to talk to you guys about real quick. Let's look at these bids. I don't know why would bids be so low. Let's see, and also let's read their description here. So, Bored Ape Yacht Club and Rolling Stone team up again for a collab on 2 one-of-one NFTs and collector's edition fine art prints. The winner of each NFT auction will receive the corresponding collector's edition print signed by the BAYC and Yuga Labs founders, the artist, and the CEO of Rolling Stone. One print only, void after the first owner claims. Copyright June 22nd, 2022, and the trademark of Rolling Stone LLC. All rights reserved. Seller and copyright holder make no representations or warranty. Purchaser waives all claims and all types in connection with purchase. So let's see here. Believe we went. Okay, I think this is the same description here. When does this sell in? I think it should be pretty soon. Oh wow, tomorrow. I wonder what these are going to end up being, guys. Let me give you guys some predictions. First, let's go see. Or wait, it would be something else, huh? It's another listing. Maybe here? No, it's 2022. It's not going to be the same. Sheesh, look at these. Crazy, guys, crazy. Is this the first one? Okay, cool. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. So guys, look, the last one, 47 Ethereum. That's a lot, guys. So who knows what this next one will go for. I don't know. I think maybe hype probably was a lot higher at that point, right, than it is right now. NFT market's kind of going through it, so it might not go for as much, and Ethereum's obviously worth a lot less than it was then. But I still think that these are going to go for a lot, guys. Like, it's BAYC and Macy and Rolling Stone, one-of-one type of NFTs. Like, I don't know. I think this collector's type of item is where NFTs are really going to have their store of value. And, yeah, I'm just stoked to see, them continuing to collab, guys. I think these are dope. I think it's good for the space. I like to see the artwork. I like to see the involvement, the auctions. Like, this is art at its finest, guys. So, just one of those things I'm going to continue to keep covering for you guys. And, again, if you're liking the videos, smash that like button for your boy Crypto Ether. It really does help out the channel a ton. I mean, I really can't express how much you guys have been supporting your boy, and I'm going to continue to keep bringing you guys the best NFT content, the best metaverse content, best cryptocurrency content I can possibly bring you guys. And yeah, I just like to express my gratitude in each and every video. And any feedback that you guys would like to leave. As much as I teach you guys, I love to learn myself. So if there's any projects that you guys think are going to do well, or, any cryptos that you guys think are going to do well, feel free to leave all that stuff in the comments, because I'm looking at all of it, guys. I'm soaking it all in. I'm learning every day. And, yeah, I just like to be educated by you guys as much as I like to teach, right? So, again, smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And it's Crypto Ether. I'm out of here, guys. Peace.